Yeah, so the project came about through Prosky Architects, through Rolf Prosky. We were super excited to see the initial designs, really sleek designs, contemporary, nice and clean, sharp.
Talking to Craig and Jake early on, and was quite happy with the idea of going ahead. Craig Linky Builders was a good match for the project.
I've got a lot of favourite elements of this project. Everywhere you look there seems to be a special little detail. Obviously the Venetian plaster curved archway is a real key feature back here. I love the way the kitchen, dining and living space interacts with each other, but then also how this open space back here can be opened up through the large steel frame windows and doors, and then it flows from inside to outside into the outdoor entertaining space. And then again, how the pool then interacts with that outdoor entertaining space.
Oh look, it's a very uplifting space, and beforehand it was still quite a substantial space, but the space was quite dark, the kitchen felt quite dark, and really the idea of bringing in that eastern light in the morning and that northern light in the afternoon really has made a big difference.
So the process of the kitchen here actually went over a number of weeks in stages to put together the joinery, the marble, the lighting. Just each element, each detail took time and stages to complete.
This build is extremely technical. I mean, you've got a 100-plus-year-old house sitting at the front. You're trying to prop up 100-year-old walls that are crumbly and brittle and salvage that, so you want the external facade to have that heritage. Then you're trying to work over the top of a 100-year-old cellar. So the challenge there is to be able to hold that up, put in all the new structure. The initial stages of the demo are very important, and that's probably one of the biggest challenges of this build, because if you don't get that right, you're on the wrong path.
In the kitchen, the Arabescado Vargli marble stone is a pure statement piece. It's a standout wow factor as soon as you walk through the room.
The marble is one of the outstanding features, and there's such a large expanse of it, and then carrying it over into both the powder room and the ensuite bathroom.
And the ensuite bathroom brings in the Arabescado Vargli marble in the vanity unit, and again, it's just a statement piece as soon as you walk in the room. We've had a custom mirror that matches the joinery, the vanity unit in there, and it ties together beautifully. The details that are a part of this project take a lengthy amount of time. The curtains with the cavity, that it all tucks in behind the joinery, and the ceilings with the oak finish that matches the chevron floors. It takes months, the process of it, to achieve and get the finish that we've got here.
It's great to see a house I've lived in since 2002 that had gradually got tired, needed some love and attention again. And it's great to see it sort of brought back to life.
I think what sets us apart and being able to execute a project like this is having a lot of those trades in-house, and I think that's evident when you walk through the property and you see the level of detail and how well everything's executed and the clean lines throughout.